over 220,000 visitors in 12 months. I'd like to share all those visitors with a few Aussie small businesses. So these are the businesses that we're looking for. Hey there, Zac Dillon. Welcome to my website. I'm an SEO guy, mountain biker, Newcastle Jets fan. I live here in Newcastle, but being a Jets fan means basically that I can only be happy about once every 10 years. I'd like to tell you a little bit about a side project. 6 different digital properties that it's all my work. Plus, I guess I have a few guys that do some of the grunt work, but I'll claim everything. 6 different properties that we built, digital properties, and around Australia, over 220,000 visitors in 12 months. I'd like to share all those visitors with a few Aussie small businesses. So these are the businesses that we're looking for. If you're a surgeon, you're in luck. I'd love to share some of those with you. Knee surgeon, nose or facial surgeon, plenty of customers for you. If you're a skin clinic, if you're a dermatologist, tattoo removal or anti-wrinkle treatments, anything like that, a lot of clients for you. If you're a financial planner or do self-managed super, clients for you. Family lawyers, many clients for you. If you're a chiropractor, there's a lot of clients for you. Or if you are a tradesman, a lot of different trades. I'll get into those in a second, but we have thousands of clients or customers calling every month. So I would love to share those. I generate all my business from Google free, Google traffic. It's all I do. And I want to share and send them directly to you. Let me show you how many visitors there are. I'm going to point to the old screens here. And hopefully you can get a little bit excited and be one of the only businesses that we send to. Basically looking for 1 or 2 businesses in an area, and that's it. And you'll get everything. All right, let's do it. Alrighty, we're on the good old computer here. And remember I told you that there were 6 properties that we built like a year ago and how well they've done? Well, let me show you the results for the last quarter, okay? I'll flash this up on the old screen here because I pulled all the data and put it all in this spreadsheet. In the last quarter over the summer period, these 6 websites, 6 million impressions. That means that they were seen 6 million times on Google for free and almost 60,000 free visitors. And these aren't just any rubbish visitors. These are people that have gone to Google and typed in financial planner Newcastle, like they're, chiropractor in Chatswood, like baby chiropractor Chatswood. Like the more they type in, the more likely they are to want to buy. Now, here's the 6 properties that I told you we built. Skin clinic, trusted tradie, best knee surgeon, doing amazingly well still, national chiropractor, good chiropractors, rhinoplasty surgeon for nose jobs, and BV tax law. BV tax law is for self-managed super and for financial planning, and family law. Now let me show you the numbers. These numbers are ridiculous, okay? And what I want you to do when you look at these numbers is to look for your industry, okay? Here's the 6 properties: skin, tradie, rhinoplasty, knee surgeon, chiro, and BV tax law. Okay, so here's what we're looking at in the last quarter. Tattoo removal. People typing in tattoo removal, a location. 4,700 visitors. Anti-wrinkle treatments like Botox, Botox or cool sculpting, whatever that is, dermal fillers, you know what I mean. 10,500 visitors. Okay, what could you do? I want you to see these numbers, see your industry, and then look at those numbers and think, I would love a share of that. I would love a share of those visitors, because this is targeted stuff, because people are coming in and typing glass pool fence builder Maitland. Okay, so that's what you want. You want a piece of this. Now we're only giving away 10 or 12. We're dividing this up between 10 or 12 businesses, and that's it around Australia. That's it, done. So if you want to be part of the bunch of, if you want part of this, Put your hand up now. Let me know. Send me a message. Send me a smoke signal. I don't care. Just, yeah, let me know and we will put a deal together for you so that you can get the locations nearest you and we'll get the traffic, those visitors sent to you. Look at this, painter, electrician, kitchens. Now this kitchen one we only built 2 months ago, and the gutters we built in February, so it's only just kicking on. But even still, could you imagine that? You just built a new part of your business a month ago and it's already been seen 60,000 times. Now that's nice, okay? Now, if you're in gutter repairs or gutter cleaning or gutter guard, you want in on that, okay? Because we are in the top of Google for all those locations. Rhinoplasty, if you're a nose surgeon, 600 visitors. What could you do with a piece of that? Okay, one or two of them, couple thousand, $10,000. Knee surgeon, thousands of dollars. Chiropractor, 6,000 visitors in the quarter. BV tax law, child custody lawyers. How much is a good child custody lawyer worth? Well, a client, thousands, okay? So overall, self-managed super, financial planning for high wealth, overall 60,000, almost 60,000 visitors just for those services.
Do you want some of this?
Gotta love a bit of Samuel L. Jackson in Triple X. All right, when that's done over the year, this is what it looks like. Picture your business with these kind of numbers and think of what that could do for you. Tattoo removal, if you can get a piece of that, say you got 1,000 of those visitors and you turn 20% of them into a customer, that could be 200 visitors, 200 customers. I know that you guys charge like $1,500, so that's like 50 grand's worth of business for just one person. Same, look at this. You'd be crazy not to at least pick up the phone and call or send an email and say, how much for the glass pool fencing in my area? Okay, I want to own that. So yeah, that's what we're all about. I call these things rentables. I call them rentables because what they are is these, for instance, family lawyer in Newcastle. I'm going to give you a demo with chiropractor. Watch this. So Maitland Sports Chiropractor. Okay, hopefully Google can fix my spelling up. Now this is my website here. This is the National Chiropractor website. That is this guy, okay? So ranks really well in Google. Remember, over the year, this thing's getting, what did we say? 23,000 visitors that we need to give to someone, okay? We're going to divide that out amongst 10 or 12 different chiropractic clinics. Nice. Now, there's the sports chiropractor and there's the normal chiropractor. We're going to divvy this out. This is what the website looks like, okay? That's normal. I'm just demoing this one page because this is so cool. Check this out. When we come back in here, I'm going to go Newcastle because I've given this one away. Newcastle Sports Chiropractor. Here's the Newcastle page, right? You can check this out at home. This one's been given away to a Hamilton clinic. Watch what happens. When someone clicks that, it goes directly to the Hamilton clinic. And we do this with every single business, with every single location that we loan out. So family law in Newcastle, this one has not been rented, so it's going to look just like it should, okay? But if you're a family law firm in Newcastle, Charlestown, Lake Macquarie, Port Stephens, Nelson Bay, if you're a family law firm and you are operating in those areas and you want business from those areas, get in touch. We will flick all the traffic that comes to the Newcastle and all those other pages straight to you so you get all the business and you get to share in the family law side, which was 2.2 thousand visitors in 12 months, seen over 500,000 times just for child custody lawyer. Child custody lawyer, 2,000 times. Do you want to share in that? So then we would send all the visitors to your website, just like we have done here. And this works perfectly fine. All right, so that's how it works. Get in touch. If you serve any of these industries, get in touch, okay? Get in touch. We just had a chiropractor on Monday, just gone, and he was in an area where we only had one page, but we built out 6 more pages in the suburbs surrounding him to give him more of a piece of this pie, Okay, so we custom did it for him so that he could get more of his local area. And you know what that meant? In some areas, he wasn't listed in Google at all. There was one area he was listed and came up in Google and he was getting some traffic, but all those surrounding areas, he didn't know how to do SEO, so he wasn't coming up in those areas. But within a day, we were. We built pages for him. We sent the traffic that came to our site straight to him, so he had a presence in those areas now, and he was sharing in all this traffic. Now, on the place where he was doing well already, he then had two listings. He had our listing that went to his website, and he had his listing from Google that went to his website. So he had two spots in Google. How cool is that? And all it took was one phone call and about half an hour's worth of work, and he was in business in areas he never had before, and twice in his own area, sharing in that traffic. Not bad. Here's a Sydney chiropractor on the North Shore. All right. If you want to talk about this, I'd really encourage you to get in touch. Hit us up on the email. Send us a message. Send a smoke signal. Don't care. I'll call you back and we will discuss it. Don't wait, because the supply is really, really limited. See all that traffic? Well, we only want to share that amongst 10, 11, 12 businesses around Australia, okay? So only one in your area. We call it all that rentable traffic or remnant traffic, because that's what it is. It's leftover traffic that you can use to dramatically improve your revenue for your business. It's leftover traffic that's not doing anything that we want to send to a couple of businesses around Australia, but that's it. That's how we want to do it. If you're in Sydney, we say we're going to divide Sydney up 3 or 4 ways, okay? Brisbane, 2, 3, 4 ways. And that's it. If you're in a smaller area like Newcastle or the Central Coast, you will own that area. No one else gets a look in. It's all yours. So I encourage you to check it out. I encourage you to get in contact, and I will put it together for you and set it all up and show you how it's running for you, just like it's running for this Hamilton Chiropractic Clinic. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. I'm Zac Dillon. Great to talk to you. Oh, just so you know who I am, Newcastle SEO expert. That should be me. There I am, Newcastle SEO expert. I live in Newcastle and I'm the SEO expert #1. And this is my website. All right, great to talk to you. And that's my beautiful picture. Sorry about that, everyone. I'll hide that. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye for now.